What is menopause? Menopause is a natural stage in a woman's life. It means that a woman's body is slowly closing the chapter of having monthly periods and being able to have children. Doctors say menopause happens when a woman has gone 12 months without a period. It usually happens between ages 45 to 55, with the average being 52 years old. Think of it like the body gently saying, "We're moving into a new season now." How menopause happens. The body makes less of two important hormones called estrogen and progesterone. These hormones control periods, moods, sleep, and many other things. When they go down, periods become irregular and finally stop. This is not a sudden change, but a step-by-step process. The 3 stages of menopause. Perimenopause, the transition stage, starts 8 to 10 years before menopause, usually in the 40s. Periods become irregular. Hot flashes, night sweats, and mood changes may begin. Menopause, the last period. The exact time when a woman has her very last menstrual period. The ovaries stop releasing eggs. Postmenopause, life after menopause. The stage after menopause for the rest of life. Symptoms may calm down, but low estrogen raises risks of weak bones, osteoporosis, and heart problems. Common physical symptoms. Hot flashes and night sweats, sudden waves of heat and sweating. Sleep problems. Hard to fall asleep, waking often. Vaginal dryness, discomfort or pain during intimacy. Weight gain and body changes, especially around the tummy. Hair and skin changes, thinning hair, drier skin. Joint and muscle aches. Example: imagine feeling very hot suddenly while sitting still, like a heater turned on inside your body. That's how a hot flash feels. How menopause affects mental health. Menopause is not just about the body, it also affects the mind. 1. Hormonal changes. Lower estrogen affects brain chemicals like serotonin, which control mood. This can cause mood swings, irritability, and sadness. 2. Sleep troubles. Poor sleep leads to tiredness, low patience, and higher stress. 3. Hot flashes and night sweats. These can feel scary, almost like panic attacks. 4. Body image changes. Weight gain, hair thinning, or skin changes may lower confidence. 5. Memory and concentration issues. Many women describe brain fog. 6. Life stressors. At this stage, women may also be caring for children, aging parents, or going through work/relationship shifts, which can add emotional weight. 7. Loneliness. Some women feel misunderstood because people around them don't see what they're going through. 8. Loss of identity. For women who strongly identified with motherhood or fertility, menopause can bring feelings of loss. 9. Increased anxiety. The unpredictable symptoms can make women worry about their health. 10. Lower resilience. Constant discomfort can reduce patience and emotional strength. Example: a woman might feel embarrassed if she suddenly gets a hot flash during a meeting, which could make her anxious about attending future events. Common mental health symptoms in menopause. 1. Anxiety and panic attacks during menopause. The hormones estrogen and progesterone go up and down unpredictably. These hormones don't just affect periods, they also affect the brain's calmness system. When estrogen drops, the brain can't regulate stress as well, so women may suddenly feel nervous, worried, or even experience panic attacks, a sudden rush of fear, fast heartbeat, and sweating. Example: imagine you are sitting quietly, but suddenly your heart races like you're about to take a big exam, even when nothing scary is happening. That's how menopause-related anxiety can feel. 2. Depression and low mood. Estrogen also helps with the production of serotonin, a happy chemical in the brain. When estrogen drops, serotonin levels may also fall, making sadness or hopelessness more likely. On top of that, Physical symptoms like poor sleep, hot flashes, or constant tiredness can make women feel emotionally drained. Example, a woman may find herself crying more easily, losing interest in hobbies she once enjoyed, or feeling like she's carrying a heavy weight of sadness, even when life is otherwise okay. 3. Mood swings, sudden changes in feelings. Hormone changes in menopause can feel like being on a roller coaster. One moment you may feel calm, and the next you feel irritated, angry, or teary for no clear reason. These shifts are not a woman's fault. They're the body's reaction to unstable hormone levels. Example, imagine laughing at a funny movie, then suddenly feeling upset because of a small comment. That quick switch is what many women describe as menopause mood swings. 4. Loss of confidence and self-esteem. Physical changes like weight gain, hair loss, or skin changes may affect how women see themselves. Sleep problems and brain fog can also make them feel less capable at work or at home. Together, these issues can lower self-esteem, making women doubt themselves more than before. Example, a woman who once felt sharp and energetic at work might start forgetting small tasks, feel embarrassed, and begin to think she's not good enough, even though she's still highly capable. Treatment options: psychological therapies. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, helps reframe negative thoughts. Counseling provides emotional support and coping strategies. Lifestyle and self-care. Exercise boosts happy chemicals in the brain. Healthy eating supports hormones and energy. Better sleep habits. Cool room, no caffeine late at night. Mindfulness and relaxation. Meditation, yoga, or gentle breathing. Social support. Talking with family, friends, or groups. Examples of coping. A woman who feels anxious at night might practice deep breathing and keep a fan by her bed to stay cool. Someone who feels low self-esteem due to body changes may join a support group and realize many women share the same struggles. Menopause is a natural life stage, not a disease. It affects the body with changes like hot flashes and sleep problems, and it also touches the mind and emotions through mood swings, anxiety, and brain fog. With the right mix of medical care, therapy, healthy habits, and support, women can not only cope with menopause but also thrive in this new chapter of life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand menopause in a clearer and more supportive way. Remember, menopause is not the end of your story, but the beginning of a new chapter filled with wisdom, strength, and resilience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who might need encouragement during this stage, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos that guide you through health and wellness with care. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Whether you're going through menopause now, preparing for it, or supporting someone who is, your story can inspire others. Until next time, stay kind to yourself and remember, you are stronger than you think.